$11.49 for the spinach artichoke dip at the Olive Garden. Really? And you always finish the dip. And you have all these chips left over. So that's what we're doing today. The spinach and artichoke dip. And Ma always said if you can make it better, you make it better at home. So let's go. Perfect. My pan's nice and hot, and I'm preheating the oven to 375. All right, first thing we're gonna do is our olive oil. And then we're gonna add our garlic. There's 3 cloves of garlic in here. Next, I'm using a whole bag of fresh spinach. I washed it, I cleaned it, and it's ready to go. Next, we're going to add our artichokes. This dip is so easy to make, and they're charging $11.49. All right, we're just going to add our salt and our pepper. And for me, I like a little heat, so I'm adding my hot pepper. My hot pepper hasn't come in yet in the garden. I've been waiting for it. A dash. Only a dash. Just a little bit of heat. And we're just going to cook this until it's completely wilted down. Will take minutes. And while this is cooking, let's go make our base for the dip. Super easy. So, I'm talking simple. All right. First thing we're going to do is our cream cheese. 1 package of the cream cheese. Sour cream. I'm going to scoop that up. 1/4 cup of mayo. Let's get the rest of this out. Some Parmesan cheese. It don't measure. A good chunk. I'll call that maybe 1/4 cup. And then this is a full cup of mozzarella cheese. I'm just going to throw in a handful of it right now. And we're just going to mix this up. That's all set. Now we're going to set this aside because we're making our own chips today. Super easy. Here we're going to olive oil the pan. And all we're using, you can use any type you want. You can use the corn, flour. I'm using flour today. I'm going to fold it. Perfect. I'm making them slightly bigger. And they're all going to be all different sizes. Alright, I'm just going to add olive oil. Not too much. Well, yeah, a lot. I like mine crispy. Then I'm using adobe space today. You can use salt and pepper. You can use any seasoning you want. Okay. And I'll oven it. Oh, I put a lot. And our oven is ready. Our spinach is ready. There you go. Now we're just going to add our spinach and artichoke mixture to the cream cheese. All right, I'm going to give it a good swirl. Regular size baking pan. This dip is great for any time. Something you can whip up quick and then you'll have it. Especially if you're having company coming over. Spread it out. Add more pepper. And the remainder of our mozzarella cheese. Now we're just gonna throw this in the oven for 35 minutes at 375. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna clean up my kitchen. Nice and crispy. All right, let's see. All right, let's try this. So there was this restaurant where we used to take the kids all the time. There were animals mounted on the wall and they used to talk to you funny and they used to shake their head. The kids loved it, but I can't remember the name. If you know the name, drop me a comment. Let me know, because they had the best artichoke dip there. I mean, I think we only went there for the artichoke dip and the kids were so happy. It was delicious, but they closed down. So if you know the name of the restaurant, drop me a comment. All right, let's try this. Yep. You know I'm going in for that second one. So good. It's so creamy. And the chips came out. They're not pretty looking. They're all different sizes and everything, but that's okay. But listen to this crunch. Ooh. And there you have it. $11.49 at the Olive Garden. At home, I have this nice big pan, and I have homemade chips, and I know where all the ingredients are coming from. And this is absolutely delicious. So, is it better at home? Definitely better at home. And I think I spent about maybe $10 altogether and on the ingredients. So I'm saving myself $1.49. But this is feeding 4 people. So if you like these sort of videos, give me a like, comment, and hit that button and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. For the love of Ma. And thanks, Ma.